Hi, good morning and welcome once again to windy Gqeberha, where we've got round 4 of the South African National Motocross Championship, brought to you by TRP Distributors and Cannabis Energy Drink along with their associate sponsors. Beautiful weather today, 27 degrees, 128 entries. It's going to be war out there. We've got pretty much where we are with the championship standings at the moment. There's still a hell of a lot of points up for grabs. So I think it's going to be an interesting one now. We've got 3 to go. This one, Welkom, and then we've got Gauteng. So I think today is going to be almost like a decider. We're going to see who's going to try and stretch the lead, who's going to play catch up to the front runners. So we've got a lot riding on some of the local boys, which are super fast on their own track, and I think today is going to be exciting. Look forward to it.
So Mike, how was Heat 1 for you, eh?
Yeah, I had a really good race. It was a lot of fun to battle with those two. Just had a couple mistakes, but no, overall feeling good. Track's gonna get rough, so yeah, second motor is gonna be survival of the fittest pretty much. So looking forward to it.
It started off really well. The track was awesome. Came here 2 weeks ago and track was good then, but track was class today, top class. So yeah, it was a good round 4. It was good. Extended that points lead and looking forward to Welkom.